Alright, it is Tuesday, March 5th, 2019 at 1:29 p.m. Let's take a look at the weather. Alright, quickly on Twitter, AccuWeather says a new atmospheric river of moisture takes aim at California. The risk of flooding, rain, and heavy mountain snow will return to parts of the state from Tuesday into Wednesday. Alright, also, following the Arctic outbreak unleashing bitter cold air over the central and eastern United States through midweek, a fast-moving storm will spread a swath of snow from the north central plains to the Ohio Valley from Wednesday night into Friday. Also, following the deadly tornadoes in the southeast this past weekend, another severe outbreak may target the south and central United States this weekend. You see here the little map saying there's Saturday damaging winds, flash flooding, frequent lightning, and isolated tornadoes, all the way from Houston, Texas to Memphis, Tennessee, parts up here in Little Rock and Springfield. So this area from Texas to Memphis it has the severe potential for tornadoes. Let's take a look and a deeper look into the Weather Channel. The weekend system may bring snow, wind to plains, Midwest, and severe weather to the south. Another low-pressure system will move into Wednesday on Thursday night. Rain and high-elevation snow are expected through the west late this week. This area of low pressure will strengthen at its tracks through the central U.S. this weekend. Snow and gusty winds are expected in parts of the plains and Midwest. Severe thunderstorms, including the threat of tornadoes, are possible in the south. So people who live in the south or in the southeast, please be aware that there's more tornadoes possible this weekend. Alright, I don't know how many times I'm going to have to repeat it, but as long as it gets in your brain to be aware and stay safe. Alright, this system will move into the west coast late Thursday night and will bring rain and mountain snow to the west, includes California, which will see rain, snow, and threat of flooding from another system into midweek. After tracking through the west, this system will emerge in the plains late Friday into early Saturday. As it does, it will intensify, resulting in snow, ice, and wind threat to the north and heavy rain and severe thunderstorm risk to the south. Thursday night into Friday. Rain and higher elevation snow will develop in parts of the west coast into the Great Basin Rockies through Friday. By Friday night, the area of precipitation will slide eastward, extending from the Rockies into the plains. Snow is expected in the Rockies and much of the northern plains, while a mix of rain, snow, sleet, and freezing rain will develop in parts of the northern and central plains. Rain and thunderstorms, a few of which could be strong to severe, are expected from the central plains to the Texas Gulf Coast Friday night. On Saturday, more snow is anticipated for parts of the northern plains and upper Midwest, areas that have seen more than their share of snow. However, some areas that have recently seen snowfall will see rain with this system. A mix of snow, rain, sleet, and freezing rain is also likely in parts of the upper Midwest. In addition, winds will increase as the area of low pressure strengthens. This could result in blizzard conditions in some locations. Rain, which may be locally heavy at times, is expected from southern Iowa and Illinois southward. Okay, warm temperatures ahead of this powerful low-pressure system and strong subtropical jet will set a stage for the chance of severe weather on Saturday. Damaging winds, gusts, and hail are possible, along with the potential for a few tornadoes. There's an uncertainty on how far north the severe threat will stretch, as well as the magnitude of any impacts, so be sure to check for weather updates. Here you see the map from Kansas City, St. Louis, Oklahoma City, to Nashville, Little Rock, Memphis, Dallas, Shreveport, Jackson, Mississippi, Birmingham, Alabama, Mobile, Alabama, New Orleans, and Houston are the areas where the severe thunderstorm forecast to the possibility of tornadoes is. So if you live in these areas, please be aware there is possibility of tornadoes and severe weather this coming Saturday to Saturday night. Alright, on Sunday, the low pressure system will push into Great Lakes in southeastern Canada. Snow will persist in parts of the Dakotas and upper Midwest, while a mix of rain and snow is likely in the Great Lakes region. Snow, sleet, and freezing rain may also fall in the northeast, especially early in the day before changing to rain. So Sunday's forecast, snow and rain for the upper East Coast. Rain is expected in the mid-Atlantic and rain and thunderstorms in the southeast. The threat of severe thunderstorms appear to be lower on Sunday than on Saturday, although some rain and snow may linger in the northeast into Monday, along with a few showers and thunderstorms in Florida. Drier conditions will develop on Monday for most of the east. Alright, let's take a look now at the 5-day forecast for snow. This is the areas where snow is likely to happen in the next 5 days. Let's now take a look at the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service says that there is freeze warning for parts of northern Louisiana, eastern Texas, all the way to southern Carolinas, parts of Panhandle of Florida and southwestern Georgia. So between Texas and South Carolina and parts of northern Florida, there is a freeze warning. There is also winter storm warning for parts of south central California and north central California. There is also winter weather advisory for southeastern Oregon and northern California, northeast Oregon and southwest Washington that has winter weather advisory. And there's also flash flood watch for north central California and southeastern Nevada, southeastern California, and northwestern Arizona, Las Vegas area because of the trough of rain that's coming into California right now. Alright, let's take a look at the full screen radar, what's happening right now. You see California, Santa Barbara, this whole San Francisco, Eureka area, California has rain as far in as Reno and Sacramento. There's rain coming in from the atmospheric river off the coast. There's also some rain happening in the Florida region and off the coast of North Carolina. Alright, let's see what's next. Here's the temperatures. 39 degrees in Washington, 47 degrees in California, 59 degrees in California. Texas has 33 degrees, 34 degrees on the the western side, and 41 degrees, 44 on the eastern side. Louisiana has 37 degrees in the northern side and 41 degrees in the southern side. Florida is a whole swath of different colors. 46 degrees in the Panhandle, 49 degrees in the Jacksonville area, 83 degrees in the Miami area. So it's pretty much from 49 to 83 degrees, almost like a rainbow of different colors there. Georgia has 38 degrees, South Carolina has 44 degrees, North Carolina has 35 degrees, 37 degrees, and 41 degrees. Virginia has 33 degrees, Massachusetts has 27 degrees, Vermont has 20 degrees, Maine has 19 on the northern side and 25 on the southern side, and of course the Montana region, -3 to 1 degrees. The northern middle part of the United States still has in the low teens, low 20s. So it's pretty much cold in the northern center and warmer on the outer edges. Alright, let's take a look at a new thing, the Saharan Air Layer forecast. When we get closer to summertime or closer to the springtime, I like to look at the Saharan Air Layer, meaning the Sahara off the coast of Africa basically brings dust into our area. And right now it's bringing the dust into the South American area. As you see here, the amount of dust arriving in South America. And it does not seem to be reaching us right now, but later on in the spring and later on into the early summer, we might be getting affected with Saharan dust. So people who have allergies or breathing problems and live either in the Caribbean or Florida or parts of South, sometimes it even reaches Texas like last year, we'd be aware of that. Here is the Saharan Air Layer coming off the coast of Africa and traveling, but it pretty much isn't reaching us right now, but it's good to keep a look on that. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Hit like and subscribe. Remember, if you live in the southeast, on Saturday to Saturday evening, we have tornado possibilities and severe thunderstorms possibilities. So please be aware, be prepared ahead of time if you can. Share this message, this video, or if you can just by word of mouth let people know if they live in the southeast area that there is possibilities of tornadoes and severe weather again. So, God bless, stay safe, you guys. See you next time.